So this is the Nokia Lumia 2520. This is our first Lumia tablet. What we realized was that people actually want to use the tablet outside the house. So this is a 4G LTE connectivity tablet. We also invested a lot in the screen. So this is the brightest screen in the marketplace right now at 650 nits peak brightness, and also the lowest reflectance. What it means is if you take the tablet outside in the sun, you can actually read all the content without you having to cover this. Then we also have some exclusive apps on the tablet. So if I scroll down, the first app which we're going to talk about is a Nokia Storyteller. So I click on Nokia Storyteller. There are some images on the tablet. What it does is it puts them on a timeline and it tells you as where do you take the picture. For example, Spain. If I go to Spain, I will see all the pictures which were taken in Spain. And if I, for example, select one particular picture and I want to see where exactly in Spain did I take the picture, so I flick it, and what you see is that the maps get rendered and the points of interest automatically come up. So for example, there are 3 places close to this place. So I click on it, and Elizabeth is a place I went for dinner. So I click on this, and this is a review from Lonely Planet. So it actually integrates with the image. The other things which you can do is, most people take images with their smartphone. You can actually connect to a phone on this through NFC, and all the pictures on your phone will start streaming on the tablet. You can even start pulling pictures from online. So if you have pictures on Facebook, which I do, you can start seeing all those pictures in terms of a timeline. So that's a Storyteller app. We also showed the Nokia Video Director app today, and to quickly talk about it, what we do is when we launch the Nokia Video Director, you have different clips on which you take as a video on your phone. You can't mix them together. In this, you can actually mix them together, and this is an example of how the defined template looks like. So I take the different videos, put them in a template, and put music on top of it. One of the examples was shown today. The other apps which we are having exclusive on the tablet is the Nokia Music, the Here Maps, and the Nokia Camera. The Nokia Camera, for example, I flick this and you start seeing different kind of UI motions which come in, and I can adjust this and take the best picture possible. The last piece talking point is the power keyboard. So you see this has a connector and this has a connector. The way to work is I take the tablet, I put it in the connector, and it's ready. The tablet in itself has 11 hours of battery life. This one has 5 hours more, so total 16 hours of battery life, and it's a nice looking folio cover. You take this and you are on the go. You don't need anything else.